Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel Power, and this is Suki. In this video, I'm gonna show you how the new upgraded PC BMS is communicate with the inverter. Now here is the two battery is PC BMS with an active balancer built in, and next our engineer will connect two batteries and the positive electrode and the negative electrode to the bus bar. Now the two batteries are already parallel and already connect with the third-year inverter. Here we can see the first battery is connect with the inverter, and we can see is RS485C. Connect to the second battery is RS485B. And the first battery is also communicating with the inverter. And let's see the display screen of this inverter. You can see here the green light is already on. It's working normal. And let's check the communicating status. Here you can see the discharge current limit is 310 ampere. So it means it's two batteries already paralleled successfully. So here is the new upgraded PC BMS communicating with the third-year inverter. And we can see through this upgrade, the ADS is automatically code dialing. We no need to dial the ADS. And the PC BMS is with active balancer built in. It's more easy for you to use. It's more easy for you to use this battery, and the maximum parallel amount is 32 pieces. So 32 pieces this battery can parallel together. If you like this video, please share it, and see you next time.